Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learn with Amin. Today, I want to talk about Fiverr Gig Ranking tips and tricks. Yes, this is very important for new seller, also for freelancer who is really want to rank their gig on Fiverr First Page, and this is very important if you want to get client easily. So you should follow these tips and tricks. So let's get started. Okay, today I want to talk about Fiverr Gig Ranking. Also, I have already talked about this Fiverr Gig Ranking signal before, but I want to share more important things that is very important for your gig ranking. Okay, so first of all, you should use Google Chrome browser. First of all, you should go to your search area and search Fiverr Gig view extension. This is very important for analysis, and if you have already installed or add this extension, that is good, and install right now, because these tools help you to analyze your gig and create your gig very professionally, and that will help to rank your gig on Fiverr First Page. Okay, so I want to click here. This is the very interesting extension, and I have already installed it, so that's why showing remove from Chrome. But if you tap for, definitely you will see the button add to Chrome. Okay, so you should click here and just add, and after that just go to your Fiverr, and suppose you are a Facebook ads expert, so you want to rank your gig on Fiverr First Page for the category of Facebook ads. Okay, so first of all, you should just search here with your keywords. Okay, so if you want to search different keywords, because you can, because I think lots of people watching these videos, and all the people are not same category. Okay, so I want to search here Facebook ads. Okay, also showing here the suggestions, and after click the search area, and I will just wait for a few seconds, and I want to see what's happened. Okay, so Fiverr quick view is loading. I want to share some important thing, like how you can find best keyword for your gig, and how can you implement all the keywords in your gig. Okay, so here it is, and please see here, you will find lots of keyword suggestions from the Fiverr quick view. So here it is, and I want to see the other area. Most of the people using that kinds of keywords, and you should use most used keyword like Facebook ads, Facebook advertising, and Facebook marketing, and you will find lots of things. And just think about your gig or what kinds of service you are providing. You just pick the best keywords to implement in your gig. Okay, also you can see some extra thing, like how many work how many order in queue for other seller and what they are doing. Okay, so just scroll below, and you will see the most of the people are doing good. Here is the here is one gig, and 15 order is in queue, and another gig is 5, and another gig is 3. So you can easily see the extra data from using this extension, and definitely I think you can easily analyze this with this. Also, my suggestion, please open the gig, all the gig that you want, and you will find the first page. Most of the gig you should open, and you should see the title don't copy anything, but you can get some idea from there, and see the package and other things. Also you should see the gig image or videos. Also you should check the gig description. I think you will get the idea what they are doing, and what you want to do and what you should do definitely to rank your Fiverr Gig on Fiverr First Page. So I think you got the point. And if you have any question, and if you want to get more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And for the security and privacy purpose, I just blur most of the information here, but you should check from your browser. So if you have any question, please feel free to comment below. I will answer all the question within 24 hours. And if you are new viewers in my channel, please subscribe the channel, please support me.